our attention to Tamil Nadu, where Chief Minister Vijay, the TVK chief, is likely to visit Karur later this month. Sources say that Vijay is expected to meet the families of those who lost their lives in the Karur stampede. While an official schedule is awaited, the proposed visit is expected to carry both humanitarian and a lot of political significance as well, because remember, recently the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister had also addressed the Karur tragedy in the Assembly. He had expressed profound grief and had said that the incident is the most painful chapter of his political life, and he is now going to be visiting Karur. My colleague Dharini is joining us on the broadcast with the details, and Dharini, this also has a lot of political significance and the messaging behind it as well. Of course, even before becoming the Chief Minister, Vijay has met the victims, the families, multiple times. But this is going to be his first meeting with the family members as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
Well, we are understanding through sources that Chief Minister Vijay is likely to visit Karur in the month of July, that is the next month. And during this visit, he may meet the kin of the Karur stampede victims, is what we are learning at this point in time. So this is definitely going to be a significant visit if it happens. Remember, when the Karur stampede happened in September 2025, many questioned why Vijay has not visited Karur yet. In fact, the kin of the Karur stampede victims, they were made to travel all the way from their natives to Chennai, and they met Mr. Vijay here in Chennai. So still now many are continuing to question why Vijay is not visiting Karur and why he is not meeting the kin of the victims in Karur, in their native. So now to put a full stop to all these accusations, next month, that is in the month of July, Chief Minister may pay a visit to Karur district, and during this visit to Karur district, he may meet the kin of the Karur stampede victims, is what we are learning at this point in time. And as you rightly said, during his speech in the Assembly also, Mr. Vijay, remembered the unfortunate tragedy that took place last year. He told that the loss of lives of the 41 people, that will forever haunt him and his party, Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. He will be, having this grief all through his lifetime, is what Mr. Vijay had told. And he also went on to accuse the DMK of, trying to blame him for that particular tragedy. He says that his party, Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam, and him, they are not responsible for that tragedy. In fact, some people, they engineered this tragedy, and that is how it happened, is what he has been telling all this while. And a pending CBI inquiry is also there in this case. But meanwhile, we are given to understand that next month, that is in the month of July, Mr. Vijay has a visit to Karur scheduled, and during this visit, he may pay a visit to the kin of the Karur stampede victims, and he will offer his condolences to them, and he will share their grief in person in their native, is what we are learning.
Okay, all right. That will be his very first visit as the Chief Minister, and for the family members, it would be a lot. And of course, the Chief Minister himself had also mentioned in the Assembly how he was pained by the Karur incident. Dharini, thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very short break here. We'll be right back.